Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to turn off the Steam news pop-up notification. So this actually comes up every time you log into Steam, and well, it can be quite useful because it generally gives you things like special offers and deals and discounts. Most of the time you just end up clicking off and it can just be annoying. So stay tuned to find out how to turn this off. And if you do find this helpful today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, first thing you're going to want to do is actually log into Steam. So you can do this on the app if you've got that downloaded or the web-based version. So you see when I actually log into Steam, what's going to happen, I've got it activated. So this is actually the news pop-up that comes up. And like I say, it's mainly just advertising games, maybe some deals they've got on, like this one, Midweek Madness, 73% off. But like I say, half the time you just end up closing it anyway. So to turn this off, it's actually very simple to do. And what you're going to want to do once you've logged in is come to the Steam menu, which is up here in the top left-hand corner. And once you've clicked onto that, you want to come down and click onto Settings. And then from here, that's going to open up a new window, which looks like this. And if you navigate to the menu on the left-hand side, you're going to want to go and click onto Interface, which is about the fourth option down. And then you're going to want to come to the section down here, where you've got all these options with all these checkboxes. And if you actually come to the one at the very bottom, it says notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases and upcoming releases. All you want to do is just uncheck that box and then click OK. So that's going to automatically save the changes. So you'll see what's going to happen is if I log out of my account, and what I'm going to do is just reopen and log into Steam. And you'll see when I next log in now that the news pop-up shouldn't appear. So I'm just going to open up Steam and then log in. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to load up the main Steam homepage, but you can see the news pop-up is now not appearing. It's just going straight into Steam. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, then please feel free to drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.